Transform your furry, feathered, or scaled friends into unforgettable digital companions with Higgsfield Soul. Have you ever wished you could capture every wag, purr, and chirp of your beloved pet in a way that lasts forever and offers an entirely new dimension of interaction? Higgsfield Soul is here to make that a reality. This tutorial will guide you through using Higgsfield Soul to create unique, personalized digital representations of your pets. Will focus on capturing their distinct essence and personality. First, let's dive into personality. Think about what makes your pet. Are they a playful explorer, a calm cuddler, or a mischief maker extraordinaire? Higgsfield Soul allows you to translate these traits into digital characteristics. You'll start by exploring a range of customizable attributes within the Higgsfield Soul interface. Adjust parameters like energy level, curiosity, and affinity to sculpt your digital pet's core temperament. Next, we capture their likeness. Upload a clear photo of your pet. Then, using our intuitive morphing tools, you can meticulously shape the digital form to mirror their specific features: the curve of their ears, the flick of their tail, even the twinkle in their eye. Color and texture are key to breathing life into your creation. Explore our extensive palette of textures and color options to replicate the unique patterns of their fur, feathers, or scales, truly making it them. But Higgsfield Soul is more than just a static image. It's about creating a dynamic, interactive companion. You can imbue your digital pet with interactive behaviors. Imagine a virtual toy they chase, a comforting glow they emit when you're near, or even responsive sounds that echo their real-life vocalizations. By combining these elements, personality, likeness, and interactive features, you create a digital companion that not only looks like your pet but acts like them, offering a truly personalized experience. Higgsfield Soul empowers you to celebrate your animal companions in a way that's innovative, personal, and deeply engaging. Start creating your digital best friend today.